was very different. We just had all the critics all week. Tonight was more of an industry crowd, so it wasn't real regular people.
It's a big year for David Mamet. I mean, we're getting to rediscover his classics, and I really found it fascinating.
So we came out, I'm a veteran, so I told Haley and Cedric, be careful, you hit that wall, like, and we all got a little nervous, just a little nervous.
Cedric describes it as a trapeze act, and we, tonight actually had to have very few line interchanging.
I had some interchangeable lines, and then I flipped around.
Guess what? I had no idea, so bravo to you guys.
The show was amazing tonight. It was opening night, first opening show on Broadway.
It felt great. It's a very different audience tonight because it's people we all know and family and friends.
My mom was there, wife was there, so that was great for them to be able to experience that with me.
Free audiences are the worst. Free crowds that just make me laugh.
It added a great energy to it. We're very proud to be doing this play in the shape that it's in now. We really have taken big strides.
It's kind of one of those shows that just gets better and better. These guys get better and better, and the audiences get better, so it's really been fun to do.
Haley had a breakthrough in the second act. He was incredible. He was genius.
I thought we had a great performance, really powerful. Second act came, a lot of energy there.
Second act, we said, forget that shit. We're gonna come out with everything we got. We went nuts.
Yeah, we've all been really happy with the outcome tonight.
You get in front of an audience for the first time, and that's just the beginning of a process of learning how to play the play. And it takes 10, 20, 30 times to learn how to do a play.
We've done about 20 of performances now, so we are prepared for any sort of contingencies or whatever that happen on stage.
Now I'm gonna go around and act like I'm the big swing. I'm the big swing on Broadway. I got the big swung, the big schlong.
That's right.
Cock of the walk. I like it. Yeah, that's me. That's my. After you only do it one time and you go, yeah, Broadway. I fucked her. I did her. She goes like, spank it. Spank it said. That's what Broadway says.
Maybe.
She loved it.
It's a demanding play for an audience. It's not easy. And there's a lot going on between the lines that you have to pick up on.
Starting a play does not get easier. It gets tougher actually as you get older because your brain can't contain as much.
John's got a lot of weird stuff to throw out at different moments, so.
I make up my own lines.
A table lamp. It was so deliberate tonight. It was so deliberate tonight. I was like,
crazy. I was like, yeah, I gotta make sure I don't make that mistake because they make fun of me all freaking night.
So you guys really like each other. You're not just acting.
No, we have a good time. This is, to work as hard as we have to do to learn these words, and we had to spend a lot of time with each other to be able.
You better like each other. We're gonna spend
flow
so much time together.
Yeah, it's crazy.
We've had a great opening night, so knock on wood, they'll have a great long run after this.
To Broadway. To Broadway.
I've never had a bad time actually at a Broadway opening. I really haven't. I've been very, very lucky. It's worth celebrating.